Welcome back to our videos, and this video will be talking on the difference between a service concern and merchandising activity. So in a service concern, we are only concerned about the gross income arising from the service activities minus the expenses involved. In a merchandising activity, we're going to consider about merchandise, the purchases, and the sales. So the computation of our gross profit or net income will be very much longer and complicated. And usually my students find this much difficult than the service concern. So I hope that you're going to finish the video so that you will know, for those beginners in accounting, understand the difference between service concern and a merchandising activity. So in the video, you can find a guy here doing some repairs. We don't know if he's the owner or he is just a worker, but obviously the business, whoever will be the owner of this business, earns income from the services that they are going to render. And whatever income they receive from this kind of business, they're going to deduct whatever expenses they're going to incur in relation to the repair activities. So just like salaries, rent, or supplies, at the end of the period, say 1 month or 6 months, they're going to compute your net income. So this is an example also of a very good example of a service activity. Another example is this beauty parlor, beauty salon, wherein the business earns from the services that they're granting, like those hair fixing, and from the income that they're going to earn, they're going to deduct all the necessary expenses that they're going to incur, like beauty supplies, the salaries to their beautician, and rent or whatever expenses they're going to incur in line with beauty salon activities. Okay, so we are now on our merchandising activity. Merchandising activity is one exciting lesson for me. I find it very challenging to teach this activity or this kind of business to my students because from the service concern, which is just very easy, they are surprised with this complication that we have in this kind of business. First is that we are going to consider merchandise inventory. We have the beginning inventory and we have the ending inventory, and they find it difficult to distinguish between the two. So you have to make more explanation, differentiating beginning inventory and ending inventory. The next one, we have the purchase accounts and its related accounts also, and the sales account. So it's quite complicated, and we need more time in discussing, practicing problems in a merchandise inventory. Now, some in a merchandising activity. So it's the simple term for this merchandising activity is buy and sell. You buy goods and then you sell them. So where's the income? The income is the price, the difference between the price of your purchase items and the selling price that you're going to place on that particular items that you have bought. So it's a very exciting lesson, but we have to be ready with the different complications and the different amount of time that you're going to spend on this kind of activity, on this kind of business activity. So I hope that you have learned something from this video. You kindly subscribe to this channel so that we can make more videos, and please press the like button there, and see you on the next video.